Hi, it's Kevin from Economy Class and Beyond. The last unboxing was a bit hurried, mainly because I was at work still, so I couldn't really do a deep unboxing. So let's have a look and see what I got from the British Airways Great Grand Sale. For those of you who aren't aware, British Airways have been flogging their old and surplus equipment from when they disposed their 747 fleet. As a result, a lot of First, Club World and World Traveller stuff's come up on sale at wasslebuy.co.uk. Although their shipping has been a bit awful. My shipping was sent last Saturday. It arrived last Tuesday eventually after a few arguments with DPD. Anyway, let's see what we've got. First up are slippers. And as you can see, they've got the lovely BA logo, to fly to serve. Not one pair. Not 4 pairs. But 5 pairs of slippers. In fact, I think there are 5 there now. But there are 4. There is a 5th player somewhere, and we will find it later. Those were a grand total of £5 for those, I think, if I remember rightly. Next in the box, we have glasses. I apologise for my lighting. This is my first time trying this sort of thing, so work with me. These are the classic British Airways glasses. Look at the bottom, you can see. If you look on the bottom, you can see the British Airways wording down the bottom. I've got a set of 6 of these, so I'm alright for Christmas, for New Year. Don't know about the rest of you. You can actually, so these are still used today in the Club World service. So, 1, 2, there's some all wrapped here. 3, 4, 5. There may be a 6th one in here, we'll have to dig it out. And 6. So these glasses, yes, these are still current. These are actually used in the Club World service as we all seen it today. But yes, I'm not going to unwrap all of them. They look all exactly the same. So, love you all, but unwrapping glasses is not what I had in mind for this evening. Let's see what else I've brought next. So this next is a first class day blanket. Now, I'm not a great user of BA First. I've tried it once between Madrid and London. Unfortunately, between Madrid and London, you don't get much you get Club Europe service as opposed to the full Club World service or First service. So, I didn't get a day blanket. This is a day blanket. That's over there. Next up is what I really wanted from this sale. I'm going to be honest, this is one of the things I loved from BA, and that is coffee cups. Now, those of you who know me know that I like my coffee mugs. I like my coffee first thing in the morning. I like a lot of coffee, and as you can see, and as a result, can you see this is by Callis, one of the bigger producers of equipment for in-flight catering and train catering. These were sold in boxes of 6. As you can see, got a box of 6 of them in there. So much so I like them, I brought 2 boxes. The reasoning is this: I go through coffee cups in the morning like I go through a lot of other things. Basically, in the morning, I need coffee, and sometimes let's just say I'm not awake in the morning, to put it bluntly. So, coffee cups. Those were, I think, about £6 a pack, £7 a pack. Worth it for me. Don't know about the average consumer, but I want them, and I value these for my personal use. They're not being, and most of this will actually be used as equipment or given away as gifts. Finally, not one, but 2 BA blanket duvet sets from Club World. Again, as it's winter, they actually are nice lightweight, so you can use them in summer and during the autumn as well. One of these is for a friend, obviously, so I'm not hanging on to both of these. And that was what I got from BA. Now, I paid about, in total, just under £60 including delivery. I feel I've got some reasonable value here. At least all the mugs, darn useful. The glass wine, champagne glasses, less useful, but you know, if I feel fancy, there's always a use for those glasses. That's a useful gift, admittedly. The glasses, that's just me. Glasses, I don't know. I've had enough glasses during my travels and sometimes they have ended up in the wrong place. But I do like the glasses and they do remind me of when I can travel and when we can travel again. Which is what part of this sale's about. It's really selling the nostalgia of travel. Anyway, that's it from Economy Class and Beyond. Read the article that goes with this. It's a bit interesting, maybe not. And I'll catch you soon. Until then, stay safe.